Imagine boosting your bar's profit by 15% this month. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we unveil 5 actionable strategies to transform your bar's profitability. Let's dive in and discover how you can make it happen. Weekly inventory checks are your secret weapon. They prevent costly issues from slipping through the cracks. By spotting overpouring or waste early, you gain control over your stock and maximize your profit. Understand the exact cost of each drink down to the garnish. Stop guessing and start pricing for optimal profit. Precise costing empowers you to make informed pricing decisions, boosting your bottom line. Identify the gap between what you used and what you sold. Address issues like waste, theft, or training problems. A good inventory system helps track and reduce variance, ensuring every drop counts. Small price increases on popular items can significantly boost profits. A slight adjustment can add thousands to your bottom line. Ensure your pricing strategy aligns with your profit goals for maximum impact. Avoid dead stock and improve cash flow by ordering smarter. Use sales data to make informed ordering decisions. Reduce overstock and enhance your bar's efficiency, turning every bottle into profit. Implement these tips with the right tools for ease and efficiency. Transform your bar's profitability with Backbar's solutions. Create your free account at backbar.com and start today.